Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is card day and we are doing a card because I have been wanting to do cards and I have had people asking me to do cards again because I usually would do them Tuesday and then Thursday and Sunday I used to do 3D projects, but now I cut it down to just Tuesday and Sunday, and so I'm going to share a card today. Because of all the holidays, I was wanting to do some quick and easy for you, but we don't have anything until Mother's Day, which we'll be doing some really quickly here for Mother's Day. Today I'm sharing a super quick and easy card even a beginner can create. This is the card that I'm making, and I'm making a bunch of these for some friends, just a thank you card. And I'm sharing a new stamp set that will be out in our new annual catalog in May. And that's only like 6 weeks away, y'all. It's going to be here before you know it. And I got this at On Stage, this stamp set, so I wanted to share it with you. But you can use any stamp set that has a flower. It's been quite a few years since I've done one of these. I did one that was a circle. So you can use a circle, you can use a square. I thought the square was really pretty for this one. So this is what I'm sharing today. So there won't be an inspiration sheet on this one because there's no measurements except for the card base, which is 5.5 by 4.25 regular card base. Now I did make a matrix and I used the stylish shapes. So if you want to make this a circle, you can use the largest circle. I'm using the largest square. And I've already made one. I've used this like 3 times already, and it's still sticky enough where I can use it again. Now, for this one, I used some of the Distress Oxide, and for this one, I used Distress Oxide. But I want to show you that you can use your Stampin' Up! Stamp pads as well. So the stamp set, the bundle I'm sharing is the Spotlight on Nature, which is this one. Isn't it pretty? I don't usually go for flowers, y'all, but I love this one. I have to really like it to get a flowered one. And the best part of it are these dies. And I'll have to show you because they're so pretty. Look at these dies. Y'all, you know you're going to see something from me with these. Look at how beautiful they are. I cannot wait to use these. And these are great for cards as well. So that is what we are using today. This is going to be a really quick tutorial. So I have already put some repositionable tape on the back of this, and that's how we are going to do this. So it comes off super easy. You can use masking paper as well. We have masking paper that you can use to make these too, but I just decided to use it this way. You are going to center it. Make sure that your sides and your top are like equal. On the top here that looks level because you want this to be straight. This is Distress Oxide ink around the edges on this, but I wanted to show you how to use your Stampin' Up! So I'm using the crushed curry, and we are going to use Daffodil Delight and Lemon Lolly for this one. And I'm using my blending brushes for this, so we are going to do the crushed curry first. I usually try to start really light. The thing I love about the Distress Oxides is that they blend super, super well. You'll see the difference in this and in the other one I'll show you when we get done here. But it's very, very doable with these. You can also wet the Distress Oxide and you'll get little speckles, which I love the little speckles on it. These are super close. I didn't realize these two, Daffodil Delight and Crushed Curry, are kind of close. I'm going to make that a little bit darker once we get our Lemon Lolly on here. I thought these colors would be good because of the butterfly. And I thought Monarch Butterfly. Alright, so let's ink that up a little bit better. Get that blended in a little bit better there. And then, ooh, I don't want to get ink on that part of my card. I'm going to do this a little bit darker. Make sure you get all around the edges and everything on here. And then I'm going to pull this off. Let's close up these inks. And we are going to be ready to stamp. So I'm going to use my VersaFine. I love this because it gets really a lot of detail, and this stamp set has a lot of detail in it. So I'm going to stamp this off to the side here. And then I'm going to stamp the butterfly. Right there. And then I'm going to do my sentiment right at the bottom. Look how easy these are and how quick they are. And they're such pretty cards to send to just anyone. All right, I want to do one last thing. I have this gloss spray. I'll link this in the description. I really like this. One thing I advise is not spraying it out of the spray because you'll get too much. I usually just like to open it and then just kind of sprinkle my own little spots on it. And I'm just giving it a little bit more dimension. And then I usually just take a paper towel and I just kind of blot it dry. You can put as much as you want, as little as you want. You don't even have to do this part. But I really like the little sparkles. This one I did quite a bit more. You can see up here. I'm going to add a few more actually on this one. It just gives it that little bit of dimension and a little extra, I don't know, oomph. But it's really, really easy to do, y'all. So there you go. That one is all complete, and look how fun and how quick these are. I hope you enjoy these because it's a really, really fun one, and I really wanted to share this stamp set with you. So I hope you enjoy it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Also, this stamp set will not be available till May. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.